Looney Farm Guy here, and this is Chips Factory by VX Mapping on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro here on the 4 Fields map, and it's not there. It is going to be under Factories. And there it is, $55,000 to purchase. No options. Inputs are here. Let's take a look at the recipes first. So we have beetroot chips, carrot chips, parsnip, and potato chips. Inputs are 100,000 liters of crops. Sunflower oil is what you'll need to cook them in. 12,000 liters capacity of there. And there it is. There's the recipes. They're all the same. Oh, except beetroots, you get a bit more. 25 and 30 potato chips. So 740, 720, 480. Yeah, so the beetroot and potatoes look the same. The carrot and parsnip are a little bit different. More cycles per month, but less per cycle. It's weird that 100 potatoes go in and only 30 bags, I guess 30 liters come out. It's like, oh well, that's the way it's set up. So, inputs. Sunflower oil in pallets or in a tanker, however you want to input the material. I have bulk potatoes and parsnips, and that's what I did. Here's the parsnips going in. There we go. And we'll just hop over here to our tank and load up the rest of the canola oil. Or sorry, not canola. This is sunflower oil. Sunflower oil. Not just any oil, the very healthy, and I'm not getting a trigger. Looks like it won't accept it from a tank. Interesting. Alright, I guess I'll have to fill it with pallets of sunflower oil then. Interesting. Anyways, I'm going to do that. I'm going to fill it up with sunflower oil, and then I'm going to test it. We'll come back and well, let's just go ahead and turn these all on before I forget, and then we'll talk about prices and how to sell them. All right, in the infamous words of some astronaut, Houston, we have a problem. So, I'm not sure yet whether this is a mod conflict or a problem with the factory. We have the potato chips, which is base game production, I do believe. But we've produced beetroot, carrot, and parsnip in decent quantities after 2 months. I ran it 2 months just to make sure. And yes, it's producing. It looks like the pallets are 2,000 liter capacity pallets. But I'm not seeing any pallets of those chips. Now, these are the mods I have plus another one. So the liftable pallets and the rumbler van have been possibly known to conflict. I also have, excuse me, I also have this, the Farm Pallet Shop, which also has been known possibly to conflict. Actually, it's right here, so you know what, I used it to buy the sunflower. So if that doesn't, if eliminating that doesn't work, I'm going to come back in without these two mods and see if that was the conflict or the, yeah, we'll try to eliminate some mods to see, yeah, and we'll come back. Alright, so I'm here on my other test map on Zelenka, base game, Giants base game map. I have these mods. The Ponge, which is a autoload bale wagon, shouldn't have anything to do with productions. A silage additive tank, it's the speed of light by Yos, which is not related, and a pallet fork mod. Also, the 82 Studios Buy Anything silo, which I have to use to test everything because I am not on PC, I'm on console, and it's the only way I can get bulk material like beets and potatoes and stuff in bulk. So, having said all that, I don't think if it's a mod conflict with the 82 Studio multi-fruit silo Buy Anything, then I'm not going to test it any further because it's just wrong. But I suspect it's somehow broken. And how do I know that? Well, I've ran this for about 3 months. We have 16,000 liters of beetroot, carrot, and parsnip. Well, 13 each of the. Yeah. We've had plenty of capacity, or plenty. I don't think anything's going to be a 20,000 liter capacity pallet. At the most, 2,000 liter capacity. And nothing's come out. Now, you did see the potato chips did come out. Like I said, I don't have any more extra fill types or anything, so looks like it's broken. Did the update break it? Possibly. We've had several updates just in the last couple of days. Today's November the 6th is when this came out. It's possible that something in the update has interfered with this, but for right now, the only thing you can do is set it to sell, and it'll sell. Hopefully it'll sell automatically. We're going to, you know what, we're just going to test that too. If you want to look at prices, prices are going to be kind of moot in a way. Beetroot chips selling at $5,000. They're all around $5,000. Carrot chips, $5,000. Where's the parsnip chips? About $5,000. So let's just speed up time here, and let's take a look at it. So we got 16, 13, and 13. Let's just go. And they should start selling at the top of the hour. If they don't, it's really broken and you just unusable. So, oh, looks like our money's going up. And yes, they've all sold. So, okay, let's stop time again. Stop. Okay, so it does work if you set it to sell. You're not going to get any pallets. So until it has an update, and if you really want to use this, you just set them to selling, and they'll automatically sell, give you your money. But if you're looking for pallets to go and move and sell, it's not going to do it right now. So it's not completely broken. I'm going to say it needs an update. That's what I'm going to say. I think that's being fair. Perhaps you have a different opinion, but anyways, that's what I'm going to label it as, needing an update. And there you have it, the Chips Factory by VX Mapping, Farming Simulator 25. Thanks for watching. Till the next one, bye for now.